went from almost no noise to a constant rumble and muffled sounds to the sometimes very loud, obnoxious. Truck could even be the Jake brake type things, or into these cars that have the straight exhaust and very very loud. It's to our point right now. It's pretty annoying. It happens to be winter, so we're really not outside constantly. But we were last weekend with a campfire and such with neighbors, and it just is something that you just hear, and it's just not the quiet neighborhood that we had. And I'm certain our city is affected a lot of people in the same manner. Yeah.
What would you like to see done at this point now that it's been built?
I, I just think if a lower speed limit, if it went down to 55, and then if they get the right types of trees and stuff in here to try to uh, block some of the sound, it may be better, more beneficial.